6th of May, 2023. Givaudan recreates the scent of Petrichor, the smell of nature after the rain. The fragrance and beauty giant has unveiled Geogaia, a blend that reproduces the scent of Petrichor, the smell that comes from the ground when rain falls after a dry period. Givaudan said they had to overcome a series of technical challenges to recreate this complex smell that will provide green, earthy and watery tonalities to fragrances. According to the company, this development is the result of a holistic work approach combining perfumery expertise and consumer understanding. The